Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. It's Rog here once again, and today I'm going to be cooking something really delicious. A great recipe uses up chicken leftovers. Well, I don't like waste, so this time we're going to be cooking chicken mac and cheese. We've had it before and we're going to have it again and we're going to love it. So please stay with me, stay tuned, and I'll show you how we do it.
Here we have one whole white chopped up onion, one garlic clove that's going to be crushed, 1 tablespoonful of flour, some salted butter, probably about a teaspoon of that, some milk, some breadcrumbs for the topping. We're also going to need some cheese. I've used cheddar cheese here. I've got about 1.5 cups, and of course some leftover chicken from our Sunday lunch. This is just the white meat. 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and we're going to need some macaroni, about 75 grams per helping, and of course some salt and pepper. Into my favourite pan on the hob with a medium heat. I go with a drop of cooking oil and a big knob of butter. Now the cooking oil is going to stop the butter from burning. Then we give it a little stir around, get it to melt down a little bit faster. Then we can go in with our onions. We'll pop those all in, and also a teaspoon of chopped up garlic. You can add a bit more if you wish, but I think that's fine for me. We're going to stir these around until they get nice and soft and translucent. Then we can go in with our flour. 1 tablespoonful. We're going to let this cook out a bit so you don't get that floury taste. So we just move this around, move it around until it cooks just a bit. Then we can add a little drop of milk, and we're going to add the milk just a little bit at a time, and as you add it and it heats up, you'll notice that it's starting to thicken. So just slowly keep adding your milk bit by bit, keep on stirring until you get the correct consistency. Then we can slowly add our cheese, nice and slowly, bit at a time, no rush, and it will come together really nice and creamy. And that's when you get your cheese sauce with the onions and garlic. Then you can add in about 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. That gives it a really nice flavour. And of course some seasoning. I put in quite a bit of salt, and also, one of my favourites, quite a bit of freshly cracked black pepper. Oh, I love that stuff. That really is amazing. So we give this a bit of a mix together. Well, it's not really a bit of a mix, it's a proper mix. Then we can go in with our chicken. It's all bubbling away quite nicely. Remember, this chicken is already cooked, so we need to put that in, plenty of it, give it a nice mix, get it all coated all over. So let's turn our hand to the macaroni. Boiling water, put your macaroni in, and I'm going to cook this for about 10 minutes. And remember, it's about 75 grams per portion, that is for each person that's going to be sitting down at your table for this delicious meal. So now we're going to get this ready for the oven. I'm going to use this lovely little roasting dish here, one of my favourites. We're going to fill this pretty much to the top. I'm quite lucky because I just about made the right amount to do that. So we'll pop all that in. I'm just going to level it off just a little bit, just to make it tidy. Then it's going to be time to put on the topping. Give it a nice crispy coating. Use breadcrumbs. This is a mixture of brown bread and white bread. Cover it all the way over and especially go around the edge. This is going to give it that final crunch that we're looking for. And we're going to finish it off with a few knobs of butter, just randomly put over the top, and then we're going to pop it in the oven. Bake it for 20 minutes, gas mark full, and this is what you end up with. Now I call that delicious, don't you? That could be a meal fit for anybody, but it's not going to be for anybody, it's going to be for our tea. So we take a nice spoonful, look how it is guys, look. Crunchy on the top and look at all that gooey loveliness underneath. Ooh, that'll do for me. So we'll plate up, hopefully, if the bowl doesn't escape. And then it's going to be time for a taste test. And you've really got to believe me when I say this is so delicious. I hope you've enjoyed this video guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a like, and I'll see you all again in the next video. Bye for now, and love to you all.